Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Francis Newton Souza from Saligaon is known for his contribution to Expressionism and Neo-Romanticism through art. 4 paintings of the Goan-born artist were sold for a whopping 23 crores at an art auction conducted by Astaguru Auction House in Mumbai. 3 paintings were sold during Master's Legacy Art Auction held on 29th and 30th April. Flowers were sold for 1,66,68,778 rupees. Profile of a man was sold for 5,41,37,889 rupees. And his famous painting Girl in Yellow Sweater was sold for a whooping 14,38,39,392 rupees. Officials at Astaguru opened the bid for this painting at rupees 6 crores. However, they were pleasantly surprised that it was sold for more than twice the amount. This was the highest amount received for a painting during the auction. One painting titled The Mutation was sold for 2,18,35,618 during the Collector's Choice auction held on 2nd and 3rd May. Solomon Souza, one of the grandsons, is known for his mural paintings of famous persons on buildings across Panji city. While the painting of Last Source was sold for 71,21,428 rupees. This painting is a masterwork of another Goan-born artist, Antonio Xavier Trinidad from Sangue.